please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
In a narration found in Sunan Abu Darwood, number 4918, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised Muslims that each believer is a mirror for another believer. This means that when someone sees something bad in their reflection in a mirror, they remove it. In the same way, a Muslim should treat other Muslims like a mirror. Meaning, when they see something bad in their behavior, they should advise them to stop misbehaving, and instead behave in a kind way. A Muslim should not stay quiet, and only care about themselves. It is a sign of a true believer, to love for others what they love for themselves, which is mentioned in Jami' Tirmizi, number 2515. It is important to advise others in a kind way, as doing it in an angry way can cause problems. So help others in the same way you want others to help you.